CachyOS just dropped its August 2026 ISO. And while this isn't a massive release, there are some pretty useful improvements here, especially if you're planning a fresh installation. We've got KDE Plasma 6.7.4, improved desktop profiles, changes to Hyprland and Cosmic, a better installer Shelly 3.0, and even some interesting work happening around a CachyOS server edition. So let's take a quick look at what's new. For those unfamiliar with it, CachyOS is an Arch-based Linux distribution focused heavily on performance and optimization. It gives you the benefits of Arch Linux, but with a much easier installation process and plenty of performance tweaks already configured. The August 2026 ISO continues to use the Linux 6.18 LTS kernel series. On the desktop side, the flagship KDE edition now ships with KDE Plasma 6.7.4, KDE Frameworks 6.28, and KDE Gear 26.04.3, all compiled against Qt 6.1 1.1. But the more interesting changes are actually happening across the different desktop profiles. The Hyprland Noctalia installation option now uses the Noctalia greeter instead of SDDM. Cinnamon has switched from the standard light DM GTK greeter to the slick greeter. GNOME now includes GVFS-DNSSD, while the Cosmic profile gets Cosmic Monitor. CachyOS has also added Noctalia version 5 support to its Hyprland dot files, along with new Noctalia variants for Mango and Niri. So if you like experimenting with Wayland compositors, CachyOS is giving you even more options. The installer also received some attention. The command line installer now has experimental support for server edition installation profiles. That's an interesting addition because CachyOS is mostly known as a high-performance desktop and gaming distribution. A dedicated server-oriented setup could potentially expand its use beyond the desktop. CachyOS-Welcome has improved DNS handling as well, which should make its speed test-based server ranking work more reliably. The Cachy-Update utility has been rebased on Arch Update 4.x and now features a Rust-based system tray applet. Mirror selection has also been improved. CachyOS Rate mirrors can now use the CachyOS Mirror List API for ranking mirrors, and CHWD, CachyOS hardware detection, gets better virtual machine handling, improved handheld detection, and other smaller fixes. Another noticeable change is the graphical package manager. CachyOS now ships Shelly 3.0 as its default GUI package manager. The Node KDE theme has also been updated for Plasma 6.7. Overall, the August 2026 CachyOS release feels more like refinement than reinvention. There's no single massive feature here. Instead, CachyOS is improving its installer, desktop profiles, hardware detection, mirror selection, package management, and overall system experience. And honestly, that's exactly what you want from a rolling release distribution. If you're already running CachyOS, there's no reason to reinstall. Just update normally using. But for new installations, the August ISO gives you all these improvements right from the start. The new images are available in both desktop and handheld editions from the official CachyOS website. So what do you think about CachyOS in 2026? And with all these improvements, would you choose it over regular Arch Linux for a gaming or performance-focused PC? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.